In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online. The profit and loss statement, also known as an income statement, is one of the most important financial reports for any business. It provides a clear snapshot of your income, expenses, and overall profitability over a specific period of time. Whether you're tracking your financial performance, preparing for tax season, or simply keeping an eye on your business's health, QuickBooks Online makes it simple to generate and customize this report. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in and walk through the steps to create and customize your profit and loss statement. First, start by clicking the Reports option on the left-hand panel in your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is where all your reporting tools are located. Once you're in the Reports section, you'll see several tabs at the top. Click on the Standard tab to access the built-in reports that QuickBooks offers. Scroll through the list of reports until you find Profit and Loss. Once you locate it, click on it to open and run the report. QuickBooks will take a moment to load the data, and when it's ready, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your income, cost of goods sold, expense categories, and your net income at the bottom. Next, you'll want to adjust the time frame for the report. At the top of the page, there's a date range selector. Click on it, and you'll see several options, such as this month, last month, this quarter, or year to date. Select the range that best fits your needs. If you need a specific period that isn't listed, you can manually enter custom start and end dates as well. Now, to take your customization further, click on the Customize button located in the top right corner of the report. This opens up additional options for tailoring the report to your preferences. One of the key settings to adjust here is the accounting method. You can choose between cash or AQH roll, depending on the bookkeeping method your business uses. This ensures the report matches your financial records. You can also modify how the report displays data. For instance, you can adjust the rows and columns to show more detail or to summarize the information for a high-level view. Additionally, you can apply filters to narrow down the report to specific segments, such as particular classes, locations, or other criteria that are relevant to your business. If you want to fine-tune the report's presentation, you can edit the header and footer. This is a great way to remove excess text or add clarity, making the report look clean and professional. Once you've made all the adjustments, don't forget to save your customized settings. Click on the Save button, and QuickBooks will prompt you to give your custom report a name. Choose a name and add a brief description so it's easy to recognize later. After saving, your custom report will always be accessible under the Custom Reports tab in the Reports section. This makes it easy to pull up the same report in the future without having to redo all the customization steps. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a profit and loss statement in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.